Today I'm getting ready for a cool experience, the Ice Lantern Festival. Now I am on the way to the bus station. I'm a little bit late, so I need to hurry. Of course I got to the bus on time, and now we are at the waterfall, ice waterfall, and actually very interesting, they are all artificial. Let's take a look. The second spot where we are now is an ancient street, or a couple of ancient streets close to the Lantern Festival. And now I'm at the Ice Lantern Festival at the Longqing Gorge.